HLB built the Korea's first hydrogen power ship, the Bluebird. The length of Bluebird is 11.95 meters. Breadth is 3.3 meters and draft is 0.6 meters. The Bluebird is equipped with a 25 kilowatt fuel cell, 4 batteries of DC 370 volts, and 33.87 kilowatt hours and 8 hydrogen tanks of 350 bar and 50 liters. With the above specification, the maximum speed is 13 knots and the maximum operating time is 8 hours. The hydrogen gas stored in the hydrogen tank generates electrical energy and water through the fuel cell. The generated electrical energy is converted to 25 kilowatts. 370 volts of electricity via a DC to DC converter, which is either stored in the lithium-ion battery or supplied to the outboard twin motor to move the ship. HLB was designated as a special hydrogen-powered ship operator in the regulatory free zone in December 2021. And is in the process of demonstrating hydrogen-powered ships until December 2023. HLB is a company that makes safe ships, and we will make more efforts to establish safety standards for hydrogen-powered ships and to secure reliable data.